Hi guys, this is Jim from R&J RV Adventures. Right now I want to share with you my Father's Day gift. It's the Aldi version of the Blackstone. There are no reviews yet on YouTube, so here's one for you now. We'll do an unboxing, we'll season it, and then we'll test it out on another one, and we'll let you know what we think. Alright, so we got our all-important instruction manual. Some brackets. I'm going to have to slide this out upside down. Box off. And then we'll flip it right side up. I'm not that graceful. Seems like there's no damage in transit. Rest the stuff out of the way. Alright, so we've got a catch tray with a knob here. This will be our gas propane here. So I'm going to get this set up and then we'll season it and go back later. Alright guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see, it is exactly like a Blackstone. Now I don't own one, but I've seen several. So you've got your drip hole here and your catch basin here. So that way you can pull out all of that. You've got your gas connection over on this side. Overall construction seems pretty good. So right now we're going to take a moment, we're going to season it a few times and we'll let you know. Alright, so this comes pre-seasoned, but we're going to go ahead and season it a few more times just to make sure that we have a proper cooking surface. And we'll show you how to do that right now. First I'm going to wipe down the rag, wipe down the top, just to get any dirt and debris off of it since we are outside. Now we are using avocado oil. You can use any kind of oil. They recommend flaxseed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put a layer on here.
Really any oil with a high smoke point will do.
There you go. Get it hot. Alright. Now I'm not going to use the highest setting because I don't want to warp the steel. But I'm going to let it get hot and then I'm going to work the oil around with the rag. Now if I'm doing this wrong, please feel free to leave comments below and let me know where I screwed up. Like I said, I've never owned a Blackstone before, so this is my first foray, even though it's not a Blackstone.
And if you like our video and found it helpful or entertaining or both, give us a like and please subscribe.
Hey guys, as you can see, we're getting the burned in effect right here on the grill. So that's going to show us where our hot spots are going to be. I'm also using a digital thermometer so that I can check and see exactly where the hot spots are going to be when I do cook with it. I am having a little bit of wind issue on the flame, so that's going to affect the burn-in as well. Alright guys, so before Father's Day I was gifted the new griddle that Aldi is selling, and I tested it out and I just wanted to give you my final thoughts. I've never owned a Blackstone, so I can't compare the two. I just know what I've seen on videos and everything like that. Key to this is going to be seasoning the griddle. So it took me a while to get it dialed in, seasoned just right, but after I did, I was really happy with the cook. I've made several things on it, with my pride being the tomahawk steak that I cooked on it, and that was great. So all in all, I would say if you happen to be in the market for a griddle and you're not sure about a Blackstone for the price, and you happen across one at Aldi, go ahead and pick it up for $69.99. It's kind of a no-brainer. So it's lightweight, portable. You can take it anywhere you want to camp. So hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys out there.